Introduction: JavaScript's setTimeout function is used to delay the execution of a piece of code. It's crucial for creating delays, scheduling functions, or making animations. Understanding setTimeout. SetTimeout is a method in the JavaScript window object. It takes two arguments, a function or code to execute, and a delay before execution in milliseconds. Example: setTimeout function alert hello world 2000. This code waits for 2 seconds, then displays hello world. Using setTimeout with function references, a reference to a defined function can be passed to setTimeout instead of an anonymous function. Example: function greet alert hello world setTimeout greet 2000. The greet function is called after 2 seconds. Clearing a timeout. Clear timeout function is used to cancel a timeout. SetTimeout returns a unique ID, which can be used to cancel the timeout. Example: var timeout ID setTimeout greet 2000. Clear timeout timeout ID. The timeout is canceled before it can execute the greet function. Common pitfalls and tips. Misunderstanding of setTimeout's asynchronous nature is a common pitfall. It doesn't wait for the timeout to complete before moving on to the next line of code. Passing arguments to the function inside setTimeout requires a different syntax. Example: function greet name alert hello plus name setTimeout greet 2000 world. The string world is passed as an argument to the greet function. When using setTimeout with loops and closures, be careful as a loop will not wait for a timeout to complete before moving to the next iteration. Conclusion: JavaScript's setTimeout function is a powerful tool for controlling the timing of code execution. By understanding its nature and how to use it, you can create more dynamic and interactive web applications. Ensure to consider the flow of your code when using setTimeout and avoid common pitfalls.